Good morning, everybody. Oh my gosh. Today, I am going to be tackling this bush. um, like last night, I had a rough night. Like, I felt like sick. Like, I was shivering, I was hot, I was cold, my whole body started hurting. But I took me some Zicam, which always works for me. And I woke up this morning feeling a little bit better. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I am not feeling good at all. But I'm gonna make the best of this day. It's easy for me to lay around all day and do absolutely nothing. It's easy for me to just say I don't feel good. But one thing about me, I can't sit still when I don't feel good. I can't sit still when I feel good. So time to get up and do something. And one thing we're gonna do is tackle this wig. It is dirty. It is nasty. It is long overdue. And I am going to be doing what is it, like an acid wash or whatever the case may be. My locks have not been washed like that in a couple of years. So it's long overdue. Excuse me. It's long overdue. So today I'm gonna run to the beauty supply store because I do need some shampoo. And I have all the other stuff in the house because that's normal stuff you should keep in your house. So I'm trying to be in such good spirits, y'all. I'm so trying. I'm about to go get this done. I'm about to go wash myself up, take these PJs off, and head out the door. Y'all coming with me. Let's go. Not me out here looking like how I feel. I'm going out just for a quick minute. I'm not going to be outside for a long time. Just for a quick minute. I guess I should have did this when I was in the house, huh? Leave it to me to do something a little backwards. Off to the beauty supply store. This place right here, you gotta come here at night. It's so lit up. It's so lit up. Beautiful beauty supply. I got my couple of few things from the store. Ooh, honey. I had to buy this little bucket. I had one of these before. It worked pretty good for me. So I'm gonna do it again. All right. Okay, so I'm all finished with doing the acid wash. Now I'm about to go ahead and actually do a full wash. I usually will, every time I wash my hair, I wash my roots first, completely wash my roots, and then I'll wash my actual locks. I physically wash my hair at least once a month. I have not did an acid wash in a couple of years, I know. So this was needed, but because I wash my hair every month, this water is not as dirty as it can be. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and then I'll go ahead and get started with the retwist. So if you know me, you know I use whatever on my hair that I can find at the moment that I feel like I want to use. I don't use anything in particular. If you know me, you know I'm going to use what's available. And when I came home, I saw this, which I don't need. I saw we had this Emotions shampoo in here. I was mad that I even went out the house to go buy this. But that's a neutralizing shampoo, which it doesn't matter either way, but I ain't had to buy this. So I did over 75% of my head already. I did the front, already retwisted the back. Only have this much of my hair left. So I'm about to finish up the retwist on this. Blow dry my hair a little bit. It take my hair a little while to get dry. But hopefully with the acid wash today, it will dry a little bit faster. Style it, and then I'll show y'all what that look like, what the finished look like. So let me retwist this. Okay, so I'm done. I'm officially done doing my hair. Today I did the acid wash. I washed everything like it needed to be washed. I twisted it. I even dried it, which I hardly ever do, but I did it. And I said I was gonna style it, but I wish I had some tea to sip on that one. I'm not styling this. This 80 side ponytail is as far as we gonna get today, okay? So I'm truly drained, y'all. Like, I do not feel good today. I just want to lay down. I got my pillow out here from my bed, and this sofa about to be it for me. I'm not even playing. But I managed to reach one of my goals. I'm all about going for your goals. And today was about maintenancing, is that a word? My hair and taking care of it. And that's definitely what I did. So I'm thankful and I'm glad that I was able to get that done regardless of how I felt. And if I'm being totally honest, because I did this, it made me feel much better. It kept my mind off of how I really felt. So I'm thankful for that. I do this all the time to my hair. I don't always do an acid wash, but I definitely always wash my hair. I always twist my hair. I think I had somebody do my hair one time before, but it's so easy for me to do it myself because number one, I'm not about to pay somebody to do my hair and I'm gonna be mad because in a couple weeks I know my hair is gonna look like it's not done. And if I can do it for myself for free, no matter what, I'm all about saving that coin. So I'm gonna save money where I can. So this is as far as I'm gonna get today. I may style it some other time, but it won't be tonight, baby. It's not gonna be tonight. So all in all, it's nice and lightweight. I can tell the difference in me doing an acid wash. It smells good and it looks good. It looks nice and fresh and nice and clean, and that is good enough for me. I ain't gonna complain. So don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your friends and your haters. Share it. Let them know about me because I do everything over here. Everything is content. So y'all gonna be seeing a whole lot of me. Okay, yeah, that part. So anyway, I'm done with that for today. Thank y'all for sticking around and watching me maintenance my hair today, even though I won't feeling so great. But I appreciate y'all being here. Thank you, everybody. See you next time.